Individuals effortlessly incorporate health into their routines. On-screen text reads, "Easy weight loss tips. Simple changes, big results." A hand extends, reaching for a glass, poised to quench a hidden thirst. The glass overflows with crystal clear water, promising revitalization and purity. Animated graphics dance around the glass, revealing the secret powers of water. Metabolism soars, appetite fades, toxins vanish. A bold declaration appears. Tip 1. Drink more water. A stark contrast unfolds. One person mindlessly indulges in junk food, fingers stained with artificial colors. In counterpoint, another deliberately savors a protein-rich snack, their face displaying satisfaction. Tip 2. Eat more protein. Keeps you full longer. Sunlight drenches the bustling cafe as a person indulges in a large sugary drink, topped with whipped cream and a cherry. Another person chooses water with lemon, a stark contrast to the sugary indulgence. A third person opts for a steaming herbal tea, seeking warmth in the sunlight. Suddenly, on-screen text appears, delivering a pointed message. Tip 3. Cut back on sugary drinks. Liquid calories add up fast. A figure rests peacefully, breathing steadily in the quiet of the night. Above the sleeping figure, an animated graphic emerges, vividly demonstrating how sleep regulates hunger hormones. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep. Weight gain in screen text highlights the critical link between rest and health. A solitary figure sits at the dining table. A plate of food sits untouched. Each bite is savored. The fork rests between each mouthful. Words materialize on the screen. Tip 5. Eat slowly. Mindful eating for weight loss. A colorful array of vegetables fills half the plate, emphasizing the importance of a balanced diet. Tip 6. Fill half your plate with veggies. Low calorie, high fiber. The park is filled with people enjoying the sunshine and fresh air. Silhouetted against the sky, figures ascend the stairs. On-screen text appears, suggesting, Tip 7. Walk more. Easiest exercise for weight loss. The grocery store's fluorescent lights brighten a wide selection of grains and breads. I stand, comparing refined carbohydrates to nutrient-rich whole grains. Across the screen, a vital message appears. Tip 8. Reduce refined carbs. Choose whole grains instead. A dining table is meticulously arranged, awaiting a meal. A hand disrupts the setting, exchanging a large plate for a smaller one. Words materialize on the screen. Tip 9. Use smaller plates. Trick your brain into eating less. Sunlight floods the kitchen, highlighting the healthy spread of apple slices, peanut butter, and almonds. Words materialize, a stark reminder. Tip 10. Keep healthy snacks handy. Avoid junk food temptation. The screen displays animated graphics, illustrating the principles of intermittent fasting. Tip 11. Try intermittent fasting. Easy way to cut calories. Sunlight bathes the kitchen as someone meticulously prepares a healthy meal, a picture of mindful control. With precision, they measure each ingredient, ensuring the perfect balance of flavors and nutrients. A pot simmers on the stove, each stir a deliberate act of care. Tip 12. Cook at home. Control ingredients. Portions appears, reinforcing the theme of mindful eating. Sunlight floods the office as I begin to demonstrate stress relief techniques. I transition into a brief meditation, seeking calm amidst the office setting. On-screen text appears. Tip 13. Manage stress. Stress equals weight gain. Throughout the day, a person meticulously monitors their food intake using a mobile app. The screen displays a simple yet powerful message. Tip 14. Track your food. Awareness leads to better choices. The studio is bathed in gentle light, highlighting a pristine screen displaying the words. Tip 15. Stay consistent. Small changes lead to big results. Sunlight floods the kitchen, filled with the gentle sounds of breakfast preparations. The clinking of utensils blends with the refreshing sound of water being poured and drunk. A lone figure moves along the winding path in the park. Sunlight filters through the leaves of towering trees. The surface of a serene pond reflects the azure sky. A squirrel suddenly darts across the path, disappearing into the undergrowth. The rhythmic pounding of feet is the only sound besides the gentle rustling of leaves. I pause from my work, seeking a moment of solace in the sterile office environment. Fluorescent lights hum. I stretch, seeking to release the grip of tension from my weary shoulders. Deep breaths fill my lungs. Sunlight bathes the grocery store, highlighting rows of colorful produce. I gently place the selected bell peppers into a reusable bag. My eyes scan the meat section. The gym echoes with rhythmic breathing as a figure engages in a light workout. Each breath is a measured effort, pushing through the early stages of physical exertion. The air is filled with the sound of exertion. In the bright kitchen, I carefully arrange a meal, focusing on a generous portion of vegetables. Soft light bathes the bedroom, the neatly made bed, a haven of peace. I am preparing a relaxing bedtime routine for better sleep. Sunlight bathes the cozy living room as I sit at a small wooden table, a plate of colorful food before me. No distractions, just me and the aroma of the meal. I breathe deeply, savoring the wonderful smell. A lone figure strolls down a sun-drenched suburban street, opting for a walk beneath the shade of towering trees. The brilliant sun casts intricate patterns through the leaves, painting the pavement with dancing shadows. Sunlight bathes the kitchen as the day begins. I replace sugary drinks with a vibrant pitcher of infused water. Sunlight bathes the office as I reach for fresh fruit instead of the processed snacks. The scent of the fresh fruit is a welcome change from the stale office. I chew thoughtfully, feeling a sense of satisfaction. In a sunlit dining room, my hands carefully arrange food on a plate. The meal, meticulously arranged, looks dwarfed by the miniature plate. Sunlight floods the yoga studio, each sunbeam revealing dust motes dancing in the air. Amidst the gentle music, figures move with calm deliberation, their faces serene. Anna guides her students with graceful precision, her soothing voice filling the room. The air is filled with the scent of lavender, a sanctuary of peace. Sunlight filters through the trees, illuminating a winding mountain trail. Birds sing as I walk along, breathing in the crisp mountain air. Wildflowers burst with color along the path. Sunlight streams into the kitchen, illuminating a scene of healthy meal preparation. Knives flash as someone expertly chops vegetables, creating a symphony of colors and textures. Each ingredient is carefully measured and portioned, ensuring a week of balanced nutrition. Sunlight bathes the bustling restaurant as I sit alone, lost in thought. Lost in contemplation, I study the menu, seeking a moment of clarity. I sit, tracking my food intake using a mobile app. Sunlight pierces the sterile air of the doctor's office, illuminating the quiet anticipation. A patient sits, awaiting the doctor's words. Health magazines lie scattered across the desk, untouched and unread. In a fitness class, participants move to the rhythm of upbeat music. The instructor leads, her energy infectious as she guides the group through each move. Some struggle to keep up, their efforts a comical contrast to the instructor's perfect form. The room vibrates with the scent of sweat and sheer determination. Sunlight fills the kitchen, lighting the air as I stand amidst a colorful spread of packaged foods. I stand, brow furrowed, trying to decipher the nutritional information on a cereal box. Sunlight bathes the library, illuminating the towering bookshelves. I sit surrounded by cookbooks and nutrition guides, lost in a world of culinary knowledge. My fingers dance across the spines, seeking the secrets to healthy eating. Under the sun, the market buzzes, a vibrant array of colors and voices filling the air. The air vibrates with life, from the crisp scent of ripe apples to the playful bleats of goats. Families, couples, and individuals wander, all seeking the freshest flavors of the land. Sunlight floods the kitchen. Dust motes dance in the golden air as I prepare a new recipe. With determined enthusiasm, I chop vegetables, embracing a healthier path. Steam curls from a pot on the stove, a fragrant promise of nourishment. A moment of quiet reflection as I stretch, seeking solace from the day's demands. Sunlight floods the kitchen as I stand at the counter, preparing a vibrant smoothie. The rhythmic whir of the blender fills the air as fresh ingredients combine. I choose a salad over a heavy meal. I stand in the kitchen, carefully measuring out a portion of food. Under the warm sun, two friends walk through the park, footsteps echoing on the gravel. The sun casts long shadows as they continue their stroll, the sound of gravel underfoot a constant rhythm. A quiet resolve settles over the room as someone contemplates the path to setting achievable weight loss goals. Sunlight floods the modern kitchen as I meticulously prepare a protein-rich meal. The air fills with the aroma of seared meat and fresh herbs, promising a balanced and nutritious dish. With unwavering focus, I complete the dish, ensuring every ingredient contributes to its perfection. I stand before the vending machine, contemplating the healthy snack options. I sit at my kitchen table. A half-eaten sandwich sits beside me. The pen hovers over the open notebook, poised to capture every bite. I resolve to keep an accurate food journal. The studio is filled with beaming faces and a riot of colorful decorations, celebrating weight loss achievements. Enthusiastic hugs and high fives fill the air, echoing the joy of shared success. Motivational banners hang from the ceiling, reinforcing the atmosphere of triumph and perseverance. The studio glows under bright lights, filled with an optimistic energy. The screen displays a final message: small changes, lasting results.